All right, guys. Just got done doing a little grocery shopping. Decided to record a little video for you guys. So when I get home, I'll show you what I picked up today. So I'm home. I'm going to go ahead and take shit the bags and organize. You know, that way you can get a better look of what I have instead of digging out through the bags and making a video much too long. Okay, so y'all stay tuned for a moment. Let me get this shit together. All right, homies and homettes, so I am home. First and foremost, let me give a big shout out to the people that supported the New Year's sale. Pumpchasers.com, y'all showed me love. And obviously on the coaching site, I got some clients that I gotta transform. So January is gonna be a very busy month for me, but that's good. I like being busy. I like working. You know what I mean? It's not like I'm working for free. So I love doing what I do. Thank you to everybody that showed me love. Speaking of pumpchasers.com, as you see, I got this new hoodie. Look at that stitching. This is a stitch letters, so it's gonna last a lot longer. With camo on the inside, we're doing 2 colors, and we're doing a 3rd hoodie, all camo. So be looking out for that late January, early February. And look at these new joggers. We're doing 2 variations, white camo and green camo. Black fitted joggers with the camo on the side. White camo and green camo. We're looking out for that. And as you see, Pump Chasers bandana. We're doing 3 colors, green, charcoal gray, and black. Stay tuned. Thank y'all for y'all support. Now, let's get to these groceries. Let's start with some carb sources. Now, even though veggies are very low in carbs, it's still a carb source, okay? So this right here, the salad mix, guys. This is awesome if you're a low carb dieting or just, you know, you're hungry but don't want to eat a lot of carbs. Good way to fill your plate without going way over your calorie needs. Let's say you're on 2,000 calories. You've already had 1,900 calories. Well, have you a chicken salad. Get some chopped chicken, throw in some salad right here, some tomatoes, a nice dressing right here. Bam, very low in calories on this dressing. It's only 3 grams of carbs per serving, no fat. You know, simple shit. All right. Like I said, I got the tomatoes on deck. I have a salad pretty much every day. Late night sweets, you know, instead of getting that ice cream or that bullshit, nice bowl of grapes, or if you're on a low-carb diet, do strawberries. Strawberries are much lower in carbs than grapes. I don't really fuck with wheat bread, but this is Denise's. She loves sandwiches. Nothing wrong with it. I just don't really eat a lot of sandwiches, all right? I prefer burgers on my cheat days, you know. My favorite snack right here, white cheddar rice cakes. Apple rice cakes. I either throw some peanut butter or almond butter on them. Low carb fruit, very nutrient dense, blueberries. I have a bowl of oatmeal damn near every day before I go to the gym. If you watch my Instagram stories, which you should if you have Instagram, because I'm always sharing what I'm doing. I like to have a bowl of oatmeal, throw some blueberries in that bitch. Onions. I like to throw this in some of my meals. Most importantly, my tuna. I make tuna at least 3 times a week. And I like to have onions in my tuna. We got yams and white potatoes, great source of carbs. These right here are black beans. I use this, or I'll use refried beans with my breakfast. Let me show you something. Egg beaters, Southwest. This is pretty much egg whites, but they're still yellow, right? Liquid egg whites, and they got peppers and shit to flavor them. That's why it's called the Southwestern style. I'll make scrambled egg whites with this. Throw some beans, onions, some turkey crumbles. I'll be sure to throw it in my vlog for you guys. You know, it's New Year's season. People that want to be motivated. People need to be inspired. So be looking at my new vlogs. I'll be sure to throw that shit in there for you. Like I said, speaking of my tuna, I throw sweet relish and regular relish. Now, the reason why I mix the both is because sweet relish tends to have a lot of carbs in it. So I'll do maybe half sweet, half regular. All right. Frozen pineapple. Let me show you why I do frozen pineapple, man. Because it is pineapple upside down cake. Wait, get you some frozen pineapple, a scoop of whey, maybe a little milk or water or almond milk, whatever you prefer. Man, I'm telling you, nice sweet smoothie. If you really want to go ham, throw in some frozen strawberries and pineapple. Let me tell you, nice treat for you. Guilt-free treat. Link to Pump Chaser subs is in description below. Fuck with it, man. Support the movement. And these right here are some low-carb noodles. I'm not gonna lie to you, not as good as regular noodles, but if you're low-carb dieting or just don't want a whole bunch of carbs in general, this is a good alternative. All right? As you see, I only got a couple of them. I don't really eat them that much, but you know, I like to keep some in the refrigerator from time to time. Let's say I have a big cheat day on Sunday. You know, Sunday is my big cheat days. I might wake up hella bloated and puffy. I tend to not take in a lot of carbs that day. And by Tuesday, I'm usually back to normal. So, you know, I like to have these things on deck. Nice little low-carb treats on deck. Like I said, got my Southwestern egg beaters for my breakfast burritos in the morning. Got regular egg whites. We got chicken thighs. Don't forget, guys, I'm going to put the link at the very bottom of the description, how we prepare these thighs, all right, if you're interested. All right. This is Denise's shit right here. She likes turkey bacon and lean beef. You know what I mean? Lately, I've just been doing chicken pretty much. Chicken, tuna, burritos. Speaking of tuna, this is the tuna I use right here. Wild caught albacore tuna, man. Nice taste, too. Got some chili. I don't really do a lot of canned chili, but when I have a taste for chili, I like to have some in the pantry ready to go. Like I said, this turkey scramble, I put that in my eggs, man. Make a little burrito with it. These are some of my condiments right here. We got some mustard for the tuna sandwiches. I also, when I make my tuna, either I'll do sandwich spread or I'll do like some light mayo. Just depends how I feel that day, guys. Nice calorie-free sweet drinks. This right here is one of my favorite, Mio Energy. It's called Mio Energy because they actually throw a little caffeine in it, man. So late night when I'm doing some emails for clients, I want something sweet, I'll probably have this to give me a little pick-me-up and something sweet. Salsa for my tuna and my scrambles. A little peppers for seasoning. Halo Top ice cream, man. Like I told you in one of my vlogs, guys. Told you already. 1 pint of Ben & Jerry's is pretty much like 4 or 5 of these. So look, I'm not telling you what to do here, because trust me, sometimes I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna have me a Ben & Jerry's. But if you know damn well it's not really worth it, just get you a Halo Top, man. Save those calories, man. Like I said, you can have 4 or 5 of these for just 1 of these, man. I mean, you do the math. You know what I mean? But like I said, sometimes, you know, I'm craving a Ben & Jerry's. I don't even give a fuck. I'll have it. That's why I got it in my freezer. But on most days, I tend to stick with the Halo Top. Water just, because like I tell you guys many times, and my clients, get a gallon of water a day. No excuses. 1 gallon of water a day. And no sodas, fruits, none of that shit count. I'm talking a gallon of drinking water a day. All right? And some nice unsweetened hippie milk for my smoothies, you know, to go with my oatmeal, whatever. And one more thing I forgot to mention. Eggs right here. I don't really eat whole eggs by themselves. What I do is boil them and I put them in my tuna. So be looking out for my burrito scrambles in a video. Be looking out for my tuna in a video. And one more thing, but I'm going to let you guys go. I got Veggie Hot Dogs. Now, no, I'm not a fucking vegan, but I like the macros. I love hot dogs, but hot dogs are so terrible in macros. 1 hot dog link is usually 8 to 10 grams of fat. And I like to have 2 or 3 hot dogs at a time. So I was scrolling through the produce section, and look at this. 2 grams of fat, 7 grams of protein per link. I just hope these taste good. I would do a taste review right now, but honestly, I'm not really hungry. But I will either make a video by itself taste testing this for you, or I'll be sure to mention it in a vlog. So y'all stay tuned for that. So there it is, guys. That's what I got from the store today. Don't forget to be looking out for those vlogs and be looking out for this new gear. Also, if you're in LA or you happen to be going to the LA Fit Expo, I will be there Saturday and Saturday only. I'll have the times and info for you later because honestly, I have no idea. You know what I mean? But I will be there for sure. I already paid for my flight. All right? And you know I'm going to cut a fucking rug out there. But anyway, don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, buy 30 of them bitches. Because Bruno needs those treats and the baby needs them diapers. Peace.